Today we're at, on a birding adventure at Jawbone Flora and Fauna Park. It's a marine sanctuary, and right now I've got really good hopes. Some rare birds have been recorded here, such as the far eastern curlew and curlew sandpiper, so excited. Okay, we're going to Williamstown wetlands, which is just right next to the coastal park, right there. Saw a few ducks flying, also cormorants, and it seems real nice here. Oh, and yep, there are cormorants. Lots of them. Oh my god, that's so many cormorants. Those are so many cormorants. Seems to be a trail here. Okay, so, oh, that is way more cormorants than I expected. So many little vipers. They're not rare birds, but that many of them is not really the most common sight. Yeah, so many. The end of this track. The rest of it's protected. This seems like it's turned into a bird hide. It says right here, but it's also for the Rotary Club here too. So many colors. Cattle egret up there. a spotted crake. I'm not sure exactly if it's a spotted crake, but definitely a crake. So small. Okay, we're heading off to lunch. We're done this side and we're going to be heading that way. There's a little bit more birds I saw from the distance. And yeah, we've seen a few nice birds. We've seen a cattle egret. We've seen white-faced herons, another egret. I have to check on that bird. I don't exactly know which one it is. Also, more teals back down there. Sadly, no pipers, but sandpipers, but maybe there's some on the other side. We've got a kite. There he is. We've got a kite. We've had our lunch. Obviously, got sidetracked seeing the kite. Now we're here. We headed a little bit to the side of Jawbone Reserve, and we're here at the wetlands. I'm really excited. A bunch of royal spoonbills. I've never seen anything like this, okay? I've never seen spoonbills in my whole life in the wild. Obviously I've seen them at the zoo, but spoonbills. Oh no. Crazy. Okay. I don't know why I've never come here before. But literally, like some of the rarest Aussie waterbirds are right here. Like they're all here. If you come here, I've already seen the muster. Really beautiful. Over there. It's hiding now. I've seen the bluebill. I've seen the grey crested grebe over there. I've also seen a hoary-headed. Yeah, see, hoary-headed. They're not here on this, but there are so many spoonbills. We've got spoonbills, as I told you earlier, and I've seen this weird behaviour of these two birds. I think they're grebes, just bobbing their head up and down. They're like, right over there. I'll check. Sorry, I'm raging, but those are all stilts. What's something? Some excitement for me that I cannot hold in. We have got stilts. Stilts. There's so many of them. Let's rock. Okay, we've come to this clearing spot so we can get a better view of the pied stilts. And I've just noticed there's more than pied stilts. There's moorhens, there's pied cormorants. The time of day has come. We are finishing off, so we're gonna head back. I've had a blast today with all the beautiful shorebirds, such as pied stilts, spoonbills, and also the pied cormorants. So yeah, we're gonna head back, and please subscribe. We'll see you next time.